So here's how the lights turn out. I gotta say, they look really good. Everything works fine, no problems at all. Wiring was pretty straightforward, not a problem. I tapped the fuse box on the front for this, and it has several colors. I'm gonna show you in a few. So here's one of the settings right here. You can also control it to go faster or slower with the app, and you can make it go either to the front or to the left, and it has several settings. I won't be able to show you every single one of them. Here's another setting. In my state of Texas, I cannot be driving with red or blue, so I have to choose another color, otherwise I will get stopped. But I've been driving with purple since I installed it a few days ago, and no problems. I've seen cops and they haven't stopped me yet, so we're good here. So when I was installing them, what I did was I cleaned the area where I was gonna stick the LEDs to with alcohol, and then I used 3M adhesive promoter. I believe it took me like 2-3 hours to finish the whole thing. So it's not complicated, it's pretty straightforward. Like I said, don't mind my side skirt. That's what happens when you're really low on bumps. Took it. Just make sure you tuck all the wiring really good, otherwise it's gonna drag or your tire might take it. As you can see on this side, that wire right there was too low to the ground. I didn't notice, and it's scraped on the road for a bit, so I will be fixing that later today. I believe I paid like $60 for the kit on Amazon. I know there's better kits out there, especially one called Low Glow, but that one is about $300, and I can't compare since I never seen it in person. But as I seen on YouTube, a lot of people just say it's better quality and much, well, a little bit brighter than this. But I mean, this is pretty bright, you know. It's not spotting, or at least like it used to before, back in the days. It's pretty good, pretty even, and I would say for $60 that I paid, it's totally worth it. It's been on for a few days, so I can't speak on how long it's gonna last, but so far so good. No complaints, everything works, the app works, easy to install, cheap. If you have any questions, just let me know. You want to see anything else, the wiring, whatever I did, let me know. Oh, also the Bluetooth controller box, I did something ghetto. I put it in a Ziploc, and then I taped it around because I don't think it's waterproof, and it was like right in front of my bumper. So if it rains, I didn't want that thing to get wet and then stop working. So put it in a Ziploc, and then I put electrical tape all over it, and you can't see it. So I mean, it is ghetto, but you can't really see it at all, and it works. It's gonna be protected against water, so I don't believe that that box right there is waterproof. If you have any questions, just let me know, or leave me a comment.